Are you tired of seeing the annoying Activate Windows watermark on your computer screen? Well, worry no more. In just a few simple steps, you can activate your Windows effortlessly and unlock your PC instantly. Step 1. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Step 2. In the Settings menu, select Update and Security. Step 3. Click on Activation in the left-hand side menu. Step 4. Now, click on Change Product Key. To use a different product key on this device, select Change Product Key. So you click on Change Product Key here. You will have to input a product key here. So what you do now is, you go to a website that you can get free product key. The one I'm using here is downloadapp4free.com. I'm downloading for Windows 10 Pro. Now, you can copy any one you choose, like this one. You click and you drag and you copy. Ctrl+C, or right click and click on copy. I'm using Tab and Alternative to swap between the active windows. Now, go back to the product key environment area here. This text field, you right click and you click on paste. Then click on next. Activating Windows, you can get the best experience free from interruption. Click on Activate. Wait a moment. It's activated. We have activated this copy of Windows. Now it was successful. Congratulations. With an activated window, you'll have access to exclusive updates, enhanced security features, and the ability to customize your personal computer to your liking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.